Hello guys, welcome back to one more tutorial. So in this tutorial what we are going to do is, in our app before we have the products and the admin can add the products, but now we have sellers where an app our app can have thousands or 2000s of sellers, and each seller can upload different products. But before we are the admin alone can upload the product. So what we can do is, first we can change this, that is the seller can upload the product, not the admin. So the functionality belongs to the seller, not to the admin. So first let us do that right now. So here in the admin we have admin add new product activity. Before that we have admin category activity. What we can do is, let us close this, and we have admin home activity. Here we have admin home, and it is home, we need admin home. We have admin home. What we can do is we can delete that button, that is this one. Yeah, this is the one. We can first delete this button. Yeah, we can delete it. Yeah, we can delete it and let it be like this. And for admin home activity, yeah, for this we can delete this. And add product, we have an add product which is going from here to admin category activity. Yeah, here it is. Here it is going from here to here, and you can remove this also. Now it will give super error. So now we can cut this. Now everything is fine. We have removed it from home activity. Basically now category activity has been removed, and the admin add new product also removed. Now what we can do is, first let us rename it. So we can refactor and we can rename it as seller category activity. And it's taking some time. I don't know why. Yeah, it's done. And here also we need to rename it. It is refactor, and we need to go to rename. It is seller, and the current, we need to change the XML file name also. So what we can do is we can just change it right now. Let us wait for a minute. It is refactoring our activities. It is searching for every possible content, and it is just doing the refactoration. And what we need to do is we need to again refactor it, change it to sellers node, and we need to change it to sellers node. Yeah, both have been changed. Now after this what we need to do is we need to change here also. So here it is refactor, rename, it is seller category activity, and here it is seller add new product activity. After that what we need to do is, so in the add new product activity what we can do is, here after this we need to differentiate each product. Because many sellers will upload many products to our app, so all the products cannot be directly uploaded to the user. That is, the user cannot see all the products which we have uploaded by the seller. The products which have uploaded by the seller has to be verified by the admin, and then only the product should be displayed to the user. So to do that we need a state which is not approved and approved, like that. That is, if the product is not approved then it won't be shown to the user, and if it is approved it will be shown to the user, and the admin can change whether it is not approved or approved. So like that we can do it. So for that what we can do is, Here in this seller add new product activity, and here we need have one more. We need to add one more node, one more child, which is state, and we can keep the value of the state as not approved. So it is not approved right now. So after that, what we are going to do is basically we will be having, so there will be, we need to differentiate each and every product. That is, a user A may have uploaded 10 products and user B might have uploaded 7 products, and we need to differentiate each of it. So for doing that, what we can do is inside this we can add the seller's name, address, phone, email, and seller ID, which is this one. We can ID, this is one. And here what we can do is, it is so bright, let me reduce some brightness, and we can add this mail address, and we can add the name, and yeah, we need name, we need phone, yeah, phone. What we have is name, mail, and phone, address, and the seller ID. We can add those. To add those, what we can do is we can declare it as global variable first. We need to declare it as global variable private string. It is string. The first one is seller name. Seller name, we have seller address, and we have seller phone, we have seller email, and we have seller ID. And we have these many, and what we can do is, yeah, and we need one more database reference also. For sellers reference, what you can do is you can to get the current sellers ref, and for this, inside below this, sellers ref equal to Firebase, and Firebase data, it is not Firebase Auth, it is Firebase database dot get instance dot get reference dot child, and we have the child as sellers. So sellers, it is not seekers, sellers. And what do we need to do is we need to get the current online user. For that, what we can do is, and to get the current online user, we have a simple method, sellers ref dot child, and we need Firebase Auth, and Firebase Auth dot get instance dot get UID, and UID is nothing but this is the one UID. So we will get this UID, and what we can do is we can add the value we want listener for it. That is, we need to retrieve the current online user, that is current online seller's address, mail, name, phone, and ID. We need to retrieve these many things, yeah. To retrieve those, we need to add the value event listener, new value event listener. And here what we can do is, here we need to create the those string name. Yes, we have yes name equal to, and first we need to check if the data snapshot dot exist. If data snapshot is not existed, what we can do? We can't do anything. Just we can leave it. So we can just copy this, we can cut it, paste it, and now data snapshot dot child, we have name as name. We need to use the same name, and here we have email as capital. So we have done some small mistake, which is where it is. Yeah, where it is register, it is seller, register. Here we have done some small mistake, I hope so. Where is the email? Yeah, here we have capital email. So keep in mind we need to use the capital email. And the child is, it is not name, If in this child we need to get the value, let me adjust myself, get value dot to string, and yeah, we need to get all the values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 values. So for this, what I can do is, yeah, we have name, we have address, we can get, we have address in the address node, which is here, address, and what else do we have is phone. We have can name the phone as phone. Yeah, I hope so. It is phone. Yeah, it is phone. And now what do we have is phone, email, and SID. Yes, email. Email is nothing but it is from email. That is, we are getting this email, not this one. Where it is, not this one. We are getting this one, and E is capital letter, and we need to get a seller ID. Yeah, SID. For that, we have SID, small SID. And after getting, what we need to do is we are gonna upload these to here. That is where here we are gonna upload it. That is, we are gonna upload for each product. 1, 2. It is not here. 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we have 5 things. So we have seller name. We have seller address, and yeah, we do have seller phone, and we have seller email, and we have seller ID, which is nothing but SID is set. Yeah, it is okay right now. And for this we need to, we have S name, and for this what we have is yes address, and for this what we have is yes phone, and for this we have yes email, and for this we have seller ID, which is this one. Where is the seller ID? Here is the seller ID, and here everything is now in violet color. Yeah, now it is okay, and I think everything is fine. What we can do next is, yeah, we are coming to this activity from home activity, which is from seller home activity. So we need to set there. Here we need to create a new intent. It is start activity new intent, and here we have seller home. It is not seller login activity, the seller home activity dot this to seller. We have seller category activity. Yeah, we need to go here dot class. Yeah, no, everything is fine. Yeah, we need to return it true, otherwise it will execute the next function also, which is this one. And here also we can write that return true. And yeah, we have one more thing to do. In this Firebase database, we have set the rules, which is equals to auth. But now we have authentication, which is not here. It's for storage. For storage, for writing, what we have did is we can just delete this product images because we'll be having new product images. So we can delete it. It is deleting. Let us wait for a minute. Yeah, product images has been deleted. And now for roles, before it was user, so we have not set the authorization, but now we have authorization. So if request is equal to auth equal to null, we can't able to upload the image. So if it is not equal to null, that is if we have some IDs, that is we can, let me show you. So we have authorization ID. Let me show you. Yeah. Now we have this ID. So we have this unique ID. So we need to change the database reference. And now what we can do is the user can see only the products which have been approved by the admin, not the products which have not approved by the admin. So for do that, we need to add a query in the home activity, which is the buyer's home. That is the user's home activity. You can go human, your home activity, and now we need to add some query. I think it is here. Yeah, here we have products ref. Products ref is nothing but, let me show you where is that products ref. Yeah, here we have products ref equal to products. So in this products node, what we need to do is we need to order by child, and our child is state, which is this one. Let me show you. If the state is equal to approved only, the product should be displayed in the user homepage. If it is equal to not approved, then it should not be displayed. So what we can do is state dot equal to, if it is equal to approved, that is we will do in the next activity, next tutorial. So if it is equal to approved, then we can display it to the user. So that's it guys for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial.